God. Holy shit. Today, we're going all the way to Houston, Texas. Did you guys like my southern accent? Yeah, you did. So welcome to today's episode. Today, we're in Lucky Supermarket, and we're going to be making a seafood boil. What we're going to put in our seafood boil today is a choice of live selection of seafood, and then we're also going to add some shrimp. We have a couple items. Come over here. Check this out. We have a couple things in our basket that we're going to cook up. We're going to get some sausages, some corn. It's going to be real good. Okay, let's go get it. Today we're making Viet-Cajun seafood boil. It is juicy, it is succulent, it marries the flavor of Cajun cuisine as well as Vietnamese iconic ingredients to create Viet-Cajun seafood boil. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off by making our Viet-Cajun spice mix. Start off with 3/4 cup of Old Bay seasoning, or you could also use Slap Yo Mama if you want to. Then we're gonna add in some paprika, smoked paprika, of course, sugar, some kosher salt, pepper, and some thyme. Add that up, give it a nice little whisk, and look at that beautiful spice mix. Let's start on the butter. Oh yeah, we're letting that butter melt. What we're gonna add, garlic. You're gonna use a lot of garlic, okay? I'm using 2 full heads of garlic here, about 1/4 cup of some minced lemongrass. We're gonna add some sugar and a splash of some fish sauce. We're gonna take that mix that we already created and we're gonna add that into our butter. It's about to smell real good in here. Oh, y'all smell that? We're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is very fragrant, and we're gonna take it off the heat. We forgot something. Lemon. To balance out the heat, the acidity, the umami flavor, we're gonna add lemon. 1 lemon, fully juiced. Okay. I don't know why. This is the hardest lemon I've ever juiced in my life, but it is. Let's do a little taste test. Yeah, that's what you're looking for. Okay, once that's done, take it off the heat. While our water boils, I want to take this opportunity to thank our sponsor for the video today, Lucky Supermarket. Thank you so much. All of these ingredients are from Lucky Supermarket. They have some of the freshest ingredients in the city with a wide range of selection. Anything that you need for your Asian or ethnic dishes, you can definitely find there.
Whenever I'm in the mood for Asian food, there's only one place I ever go, a one-stop shop for Asian ingredients. Did you guess? It's Lucky Supermarket. They're an independent Canadian grocery store that offers the freshest seafood, exotic fruits, and vegetables. They also have a wide variety of authentic Asian products and a numerous drink selection. Not to mention, but their prices are unbeatable. But if you're too tired from shopping, stop by their kitchen that has hot food and ready-to-eat meals every day.
Now, let's get to the good part. Let's take a second to talk about the ingredients that we're using today. Come on over. What we got is corn on the cob that I have cut into thirds. We have some beautiful potatoes. We got some ginger, some lemongrass, some garlic, onion, lemons, crawfish. Look at this guy right here. Pre-cooked crawfish. It is absolutely beautiful. We have some clams. We have some black tiger shrimp. And look at these guys from Lucky Supermarket. Look at this. It is absolutely ginormous. Then we got a beautiful crab. Thank you so much. Thank you. I should probably tell you guys that I've only made this recipe about 2 times, but I promise you it is very easy, okay? If you can cook noodles, you can make a seafood boil. We're gonna add lemons. Juice the lemon, about 4, then we're going to add it into the pot. 1 whole onion that has been quartered, and we're going to add 4 whole garlic, ginger, bay leaf, as well as some lemongrass. Our Viet-Cajun spice mix. Also going to add 1 cup of fish sauce. And for a little bit more heat, just some Tabasco. Let that come to a boil and cover for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
We're gonna add in our potatoes. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna cover and cook until they're fork tender, about 10 to 12 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, let's check it out. Yep, that looks absolutely incredible. Now that we've taken out our potatoes, let's start on the seafood. Start off with our Dungeness crab that we're just going to add in. Thank you so much. Add crab number 2. Oh boy. Cover the lid. Now that we have about 10 minutes left, we're gonna add in the crawfish. So this guy right here has already been pre-cooked, frozen of course, and we're just going to gently add that in. We're also going to add in our sausages. Here I'm using some smokies because I love the flavor of the smoky. I love the smokiness of the smoky. Whatever, just add in the sausages, all right? I like them thick. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Who's excited? I'm excited. Oh, boys. That looks so, so good. Next up, let's add in our clams. Cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes. In total time will be 5 minutes, but then we're gonna get everything else in and it's gonna be timed perfectly. Today, we're using some fresh baguette. Smells absolutely so good. It wouldn't be a perfect marriage of French, Vietnamese, and Cajun cuisine without some French baguette. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna add in our jumbo tiger shrimp. Look at that. Oh my, we're gonna add that in. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have about 2 minutes left on the clock. Okay, that's a timer. Add in the rest of your shrimp. Smells so good. What if it tastes like garbage? No, it won't. You know why? Because there's so much seafood in here. What can go wrong with seafood? Absolutely nothing. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. Okay, now that that's just done, add your corn and just place it in. We're gonna turn off the heat and simmer for 5 more minutes. I'm opening it. Oh my goodness. Do y'all smell that? Perfection. For the hard part now, we're gonna pour it out. Let's pour it out. Brian, come. Wait, Brian, let me do this first. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, boys. Yeah. Okay, how can we do the rest? Will this pan fit this? There we go. Woo! Ah! Oh, boys! Look at that! Yeah. That is what you call a seafood boil. Finish it off with our crab. Now, for the good part. That buttery goodness. Oh my chows, oh my chows. It looks so good. Would you guys look at this spread? I don't know about you guys, but this looks absolutely incredible. If you guys could smell this right now, the whole studio is smelling so fragrant. You can really see the wonderful and beautiful vibrant colors of the seafood boil. You can smell the lemongrass, the garlic, the butter. Look at this guy. Yep, so good. Should I suck no, I'm gonna get a stomach ache. I'm not gonna suck the head. Some people love to suck the head, and I'm one of them. So good. It is spicy, it's tangy. You can really taste the garlic, the fish sauce. Oh my gosh, absolutely incredible. And there you have it, easy, delicious Viet-Cajun seafood boil right at home. Look at this masterpiece. It only took us less than 30 minutes, and you can make it at home as well. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Full recipe details will be below. And again, thank you so much to our sponsor, Lucky Supermarket. Grab all your groceries from Lucky Supermarket. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, ciao for now.